31st March is almost here, and if you haven't planned your taxes yet, then you might be paying more than required. Let's quickly cover the best investment option you can use before 31st March to save tax under Section 80C of Income Tax Act. First, ELSS, that is Equity Linked Savings Scheme. If you want higher returns and can take some risk, then ELSS is a good option for you. So it has shortest lock-in period, that is just 3 years, and it helps to create wealth along with saving tax. Number 2, PPF, that is Public Provident Fund. For those who prefer safety, PPF is a government-backed super safe option with a tax-free returns. It's ideal for long-term goals like retirement. Third, life insurance premium. You can claim deduction on the premium you pay. But remember, insurance should be for protection, not just for tax saving. Fourth, tax saver fixed deposit. If you want guaranteed return, then tax saver FD comes with lock-in period of 5 years. They are safe, but returns are usually lower compared to market-linked options. Fifth, NPS, that is National Pension Scheme. It is not just a retirement solution, it is actually a very good financial product with triple tax benefit. You will get deduction for your contribution up to 1,50,000, plus on the top of that you get an extra 50,000 deduction for additional contribution, and you can claim deduction for your employer's contribution. So in case you want to know more about tax saving options, then type save tax in the comment box, and then I will share the complete list of tax saving options. For more such information on tax saving and financial planning, subscribe to my YouTube channel.